Can we repost full reels or long reels on Instagram story? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if it's possible to repost full or long reels on Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, many of you might have been wanting to post a full story, that is a really long reel about 2 to 3 minutes on your Instagram story. But some of you might be thinking that it's not really possible. There are many videos promising that they will allow you to post the full story on your story, that is the full reel, but when you try it out, it does not work. Now, Instagram allows you to post a video of a length up to 60 seconds. Now, that's even less when you're trying to repost a reel. Now, when you repost a reel, what you can do is you can just post it, and after you post it, it will just not be the full length of a reel. Now it'll just be a short version of the reel, and you will need to tap on it and open it up to just post the reel. So what you can do is you can just download the reel, and after you download the reel, you can simply post the reel video. Now that is a way that you can post the full reel on your Instagram story, and that also falls under the 60 seconds limit. So the only thing that you can do is, as I said, download the reel and post a 30-second video. Now, for many people that might not be working, and yeah, but that is the limit that Instagram has placed, and there is no going around it. So I hope this answers your question, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.